Okay, so you're going to need a circle. We're using these 6-inch circles, a piece of paper to cover your circle, some glue and string, and a pencil and scissors. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to take your circle and you're going to trace it. I always lecture my students on not cutting something out of the middle of their paper because that's a big waste of paper. Instead, trace it in the corner. So if you're one of my students and you want to share a color with somebody, you could fit at least 3 more circles on this piece of paper. Then you're just going to cut the circle out. Then you need to glue your circle, your paper circle, on your cardboard circle. I encourage my students to use a thin layer of glue that covers your whole paper, and then just use your finger to spread it out, because you want the paper to lay flat on your cardboard. You don't want it to buckle or have air beneath it. So this is the easiest way to do that. A glue stick would also work, but typically in the art room we use Elmer's bottle glue. And you just stick it on, smooth it out. If you have excess paper that hangs over the edge of your cardboard, you can carefully trim it off. Just be careful not to trim your cardboard too. Then you need to mark where your notches are going to go. So you're going to actually do this on the back. That's easier than doing this on the front, so you can keep your front nice and neat. So I'm just going to use a pencil. I just start at the top, make a notch at the top, and draw a notch at the bottom. So you basically cut your circle down the middle into 2 pieces if you connected those. So I'm going to focus on this half, and halfway between these 2 notches, I'm going to draw another notch. And I flip it around, and halfway between them again, I draw another notch. So now it's like my circle's divided into 4ths. Now I'm going to focus on 1/4 at a time. Between these 2 notches, I'm not going to split it in half again. I'm going to split it into 3rds. So I'm going to do 2 notches to make 3 even sections. 1, 2. So you can see between these 2 notches, I added 2 more notches to make 3 sections. I'm going to do that over here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you should end with 12. And it's easiest if you go ahead and number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they should look like the marks on a clock. Next, you're going to need to